Today, I'm showing a new feature that will allow you to shuffle attendees based on the tags that they have. So as you can see here, we have these three users. These first two have Workshop A and as a tag on their profiles, and while the third one doesn't have any tag associated to it. Imagine the case that you have all your attendees on the same room with a key presentation. Now you want to split them between the different workshop rooms. You can do that using the tags by tagging them correctly, and then come here to the Manage Attendees dialog. We have enhanced the Shuffle Attendees dialog a little bit. We move to the top these filters of including the hosts in the shuffling and the speakers, and we introduce a new one here, which is Filter Attendees by Tags. So if I want only to move the participants that have the tag Workshop A, I select it here. We want to select it from everywhere, just the main room, but can keep selected everywhere. And now I want to move the participants that are on the main room just to the Workshop A room. So let's unselect everything and just select the Workshop A. If I click Shuffle Attendees, you can see that only those two participants that have the tag are moved to the Workshop A. And if I do that, you will see that Maria will be kept here on the main room while the other two are moved. We hope that this will help you organizing and moving attendees around in a much easier way for everybody. And let us know what else you'd like to have here on this Shuffle Attendees dialog. And I hope this will improve your events. Thank you.